Really? I have no patience. Maybe it'll let me show you from the beginning. Oh no, it's taking us to this page. So yeah, on the other video you have Prodigy for the games, but it's still math and it assists. You have Compass Learning, that has instructional videos, quizzes, independent practice, and literally teaches the student how to complete each skill, each problem step by step. And then you have Class Hero, which is great for the practicing, if it ever comes on. It does this sometimes, even from the iPhone, it does it. And finally,